Hello guys, nice to see you all and welcome back. Today it's all about how to declutter. I thought I would show you my 3 favorite techniques I'm using. Let's start with the first one. I started this process 1 year ago. So I have here my first box. Here the date on the box when I have closed the box. If I haven't opened the box to this date, then it's ready to donate. So obviously there are some clothings inside, so I just will donate this box. This is my first technique. Make boxes, write a date on it, tape the box. If you haven't opened the box within a year, I think you can donate it. So now I have to open some of the boxes and then I will show you the second technique. And the second method I'm using is I just take pictures of the items so I can memorize them. It's easier for me to let go of these special items. As I looked through the shoebox, I found also these
shoelaces,
also these
insoles.
I'm using here the 20-20 rule, so if I can replace this item in 20 minutes for less than 20 euros or $20, then I think I can let go and get rid of this stuff. That's the idea behind this method. So yeah, I think I will go real quick through the last boxes and yeah, then I'm hopefully done here. Okay guys, I did a huge jump in the decluttering process. I made out of 2 boxes 1 box with the rolling technique. It needs less space. Here I made 3 piles, 2 for donation. This is the pile for the items I will find a new home for. So on this side I have my pile with the unsure items. Here I have my outdoor equipment, hunting and camping gear. This stuff shall fit all into this box. So guys, this was the video for today. I hope you got some helpful tips for your own decluttering progress, if you will so. Cool! Thank you guys for watching this video today. See you all next time guys. Bye!